Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Vlogtober. So guys, today you are going to come with me and my husband to go and get breakfast. Today is actually his birthday, and so we've been wanting to try this breakfast spot for a while. Now I'm not a biscuit eater. Um, I like them, but it's not just like my go-to. I rather have like a pancake versus a biscuit. So you guys are just gonna come through the city with us, and This is actually our first time actually in this particular area, and so like I said, this restaurant has been here for a while, but we've never had an opportunity to go to it. And there are a lot of different locations, and they have them like in several different states. I know like Texas, I think they may be in the Carolinas. I'm not 100% sure, but it's called Maple Biscuit Maple Biscuit Street Company. I think that's the name of it. I'm not 100% sure, but they're known for their biscuits um and everything. So we wanted to give it a try, so come with us. And so, y'all, here is just the inside of the actual company or the restaurant. This location, it didn't look very big from the outside, but it did have a nice, a nice size. So it could hold a nice size amount of people, inside of it. I'll say maybe about 50 people, maybe. That may be pushing it, but it had that old like farmhouse kind of vibe to it, to me anyway. But here's just a look at the menu. It's not a very big menu, and one thing about that I did notice about this
I think
place
I'm gonna
is
get
that
the
everything is kind of like sold separately. I don't know if I got a picture of the orange juice, y'all, but y'all know everything is inflated and the size and the portions are going way down. So, but they said it was orange juice. My husband swore it was tangerine juice, and he loves orange juice, so he knows, but it's fresh squeezed. But anyway, guys, here is some video
good,
of
huh?
the food. Now, it looks good. Everything looked
Oh,
good.
I
And
didn't. I might have to
we
eat this your
waited
bacon.
a little bit over 40 minutes. So almost close to an hour. And it wasn't busy. So I don't, really know what the deal was with that. But here's just like a look at the different items that we got. And like I said, everything is, kind of separate. And so yeah, so I'm gonna be releasing a few shorts tomorrow. It's gonna be 3 shorts, and I'm gonna release them at different times throughout the day tomorrow, and give you guys a review of what my opinion of this particular restaurant is and what I thought about it. Now, guys, I do want to try this place next. I didn't know if it was open or not because it didn't look open, but it is. And I saw some really good reviews online. So, yeah, so we had breakfast, guys. It was raining on his birthday or whatever. So, like I said, we've never been to this particular side of town or anything like that. So we just was kind of just, kind of like sightseeing or whatever, just looking at like the different places, and everything. We've heard about this all the time, but we've never been or whatever. We kind of like, little hermits, whatever side of town we live on, that's kind of like the side we stay on and that we're familiar with. Don't really like venture off, which that's kind of a bad thing because, sometimes you miss out on a lot of, good restaurants or places and things like that. So we've been finding that out. So just getting out and exploring just a little bit more, what you guys will see. So we just wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you guys for coming along with us. Please join our family, like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know you were here. Next, we're gonna go with my girls. We're gonna take the girls out with my husband. They all love
I know why you
sweets,
want to
so
come over here.
I'm gonna let her narrate
You want
this
to come
part
over
of the
here
video
because
for you guys because she just wants to so bad.
you want to get a bowl.
So you guys will hear from my daughter narrating this part.
Welcome, guys. There's some things that we just spent for. We go from there. It was Daddy's birthday today. We just have some ice cream things that we just got, and we just did something that was yummy today. But we just have something that we just want something. But there's bugs outside when they're eating some ice cream. but we just did something that we just have. But we just have the banana thing, so we just have from the ice cream. We have it, but we just went to outside to to eat our thing for our ice cream, and it's really was gonna melt it, I guess, when they're gonna do this. Okay, guys, we just have the books that we just made for Daddy. So it was Daddy's birthday. We just have a present for Daddy with this car Lego thing that we just brought for Daddy. But we just say happy birthday to Daddy. We just sing it after that. And we did, and we say hi, bye.